Hello everyone, welcome you once again. In this video we will learn about linear equation in one variable, that is our first degree equation. So let's get started. If I write 4x plus 5 is equal to 6. In this equation there are three terms, 4x, 5 and 6. Here x is known as variable, 5 and 6 are constant and 4 is called the coefficient of x. The highest power of variable x is 1. This equation is known as 1 degree equation. 1 degree equation. As that means linear equation. In this equation there is only one variable, that is x. So it is linear equation in one variable. Now let's take one more example. 2x y plus 5 is equal to 10. In this equation again we are having three terms, 2xy, 5 and 10. Here the highest power of x is 1, power of y is 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the highest power of this equation is 2. And we are using two variables here, x and y. So it is not 1 degree equation. It is not 1 degree equation, as well as not in one variable. Can you guess the highest power of this equation? Let me calculate for you. Multiply both sides of the equation with y. So y multiplied by 2y plus y multiplied by 4 upon y is equal to 10 multiplied by y. Here y is cancelled by y. Here it can be, we can write down y, 1 here, 1 here. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2y square plus 4 is equal to 10y. So here the highest power of this equation is 2. So it is not a linear equation because it is second degree equation. Now let me give you one last example. 3a plus 4b plus 7c is equal to 8d. Can you guess is the highest power? I hope you can. There are 4 terms in this equation. The highest power of a is 1, power of b 1, power of c 1, power of d 1. So the power of variable, each variable is 1. Hence the highest degree of the equation is 1. So this equation is 1 degree equation, as well as it is linear equation. But we are using 4 variables here, a, b, c and d. So it is linear equation, but it is not in one variable. It is linear equation in 4 variables. Now let me teach you how we can solve linear equation in one variable. For example, let us take an equation 2x plus 20 is equal to 50. We are asked to find the value of x. So then it will be calculated as follows. Remember that the side, which is this side of equality sign, is known as LHS, and the side, which is this side of equality sign, is known as right hand side. So it is on right hand side, so that's why it is known as right hand side. Now shift plus 20 from left hand side to right hand side. As the result, plus sign changes into minus. So we can write like this: 2x is equal to 50 minus 20. So 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. Now we have to divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 and 30 divided by 2. Now 2 is cancelled out by 2 and 30 cancelled out by 2, we get 15. So this gives x is equal to 15. Let's take one more example. 30 minus y is equal to 2y. There are 3 terms in this equation, but 2 terms are there with the same variable, that means y. Hence we will arrange this equation in such a way that y should make a one term. So now we have to shift negative y from left hand side to right hand side. So it can be written as 30 is equal to 2y. Now we are shifting negative y to right hand side. As a result, negative sign changes into positive. Right? Now 2y plus y, which is equal to 3y, and here 30. Now divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides of equation by 3. So 30 divided by 3 is equal to 3y divided by 3. So here 3 cancelled out by 3 and 30 divided by 3, that is 10. So we get y is equal to 10. Now let me teach you one multiple step type of linear equation in one variable. So here we are having 2 upon 3 x minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. This type of equation, we shift the constant of one side. That means we have to shift plus 4 from left hand side to right hand side. So 2 upon 3 x minus 1 remains same, and plus 4 shifted to right hand side. That means plus sign changes into negative sign. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So now 2 upon 3 x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now it is the time to terminate 3 as denominator. So for that we have to multiply 3 by the both side of equation. That means 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3 to x minus 1 is equal to 1 multiply by 3. So here 3 cancelled out by 3. So equation changes into 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. Now we have to multiply 2. 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. Now again we have to shift the constant on the one side. So minus 2 shifted to the right hand side. As a result, negative sign changes into positive. So 2x is equal to 3 plus 2. So 2x is equal to 5. Now divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. So 2 cancelled out by 2. That gives x is equal to 5 upon 2. In this way, you can find out the solutions of linear equation in one variable.